message for the following county: San Joaquin, California. The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a flash flood warning for a levee failure in San Joaquin County in central California until 7:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time Tuesday at 7:29 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. San Joaquin County officials have reported a failure of a levee on the San Joaquin River, southwest of Manteca. San Joaquin County has called for the evacuation of area east of the San Joaquin River between Woodard Road on the north, Union Road to the east, and Mortensen Road to the south. Residents are urged to follow emergency instructions from local county authorities.